Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to install Windows 11 from USB on your Microsoft Surface Studio 2 laptop. So in order to do this, we're gonna need, of course, an external drive, your SD card reader or USB flash drive with at least 16 gigabytes of available storage on it, and you're also gonna need another Windows PC now, which we'll be using to create the ISO image and upload it on our USB flash drive. So in the first step, you're gonna have to insert your USB flash drive into the other PC, Windows PC, and then we're gonna have to open the start menu and search for recovery drive feature application. It has to be pre-installed on your PC, or just run this feature. Then you will see this window. Here you want to uncheck this checkbox, then click next, and after that we're also gonna have to select our USB flash drive, click next, then click create, and this will format the USB flash drive. Therefore, if you have some important data on it, make sure to back it up somewhere else, and then just wait until the recovery drive is created. It's probably not gonna take a lot of time. In the meantime, we're gonna have to download the recovery image for our Surface. So in the web browser, let's search for Microsoft Surface Studio recovery image. Okay, so you will find this Microsoft support website with that says Surface Recovery Image Download. That's where we want to go. Now we're gonna have to scroll down this page and click sign in to sign into our Microsoft account. Then let's enter our email address, click next, the email address that is linked with our Microsoft account, obviously, and after that we're gonna have to confirm by entering, for example, a password. I think I forgot it. Okay, choose whether you want to stay signed in, and after that we're gonna have to select the Surface. So select your Surface Studio in here, and then you're gonna have to enter the serial number. Now, to find your serial number, you're gonna have to take a look at the backside of your Microsoft Surface. Just let me quickly show it to you. So here we have the Microsoft Surface. If we close the lid and turn the laptop around, if it's even a laptop, we're gonna be able to find the serial number on the back side of this machine. So that's what you want to use on this support page. Now once you have entered it, click continue right here, and then select the recovery image. Choose the latest one to get, well, the most recent Windows version. Click download image, and then wait until this image is downloaded. Now, I'm not gonna download it right now. I already have it downloaded. I just don't want to waste too much time. Okay, so once it's downloaded, you will get a compressed file with all of this. Now what we want to do now is wait until the recovery drive is created. And as you can see, it is. Now, after that, I highly recommend opening this compressed file. If you don't know how to do this, just right-click it and select Open with Windows Explorer. And after that, you're gonna have to select all the files you have here. So just press Ctrl-A, combination of keys, and then copy them from here to some other folder. For example, I created a recovery folder right here and pasted all the files in here, and I recommend doing this because it will save you a lot of time. Now this entire copy and pasting process will probably take like a minute or 5, and after that what we want to do is basically select all these files from here and then go to our recovery drive and then press Ctrl-V and wait until these files are pasted. Now this is gonna take some time, but a lot less time than if we just pasted them from the compressed file. So it says right now 1 hour and 30 minutes, but it will surely take much less. During this process, you'll also be asked whether what you want to do with the files that already exist in your recovery menu, and what we want to do is replace them with the ones that we downloaded from the Microsoft website. Yeah, so let's wait. Okay, so right now what we want to do is safely eject the USB flash drive from this computer and insert it into our studio. So let's do this. The USB port is on the left edge of the laptop. Now we're gonna have to enter the BIOS menu on it. So make sure that your laptop is fully shut down. Short press the power button and repeatedly click F4 with volume up function on it. Okay, didn't seem to work. Let's try again. Shut down the computer. And let's restart it. Short press the power button and repeatedly click the F4 button. At some point, the BIOS menu should appear on the screen. Okay, so here we have it. Now, let's go to boot configuration on the left side, also on the sidebar. And here what we want to do is just hold down the USB storage and drag it to the top of the list. This way we'll make our laptop boot from USB instead of using Windows Boot Manager. The next thing that we want to do is just go to Exit on the sidebar and click Restart Now. Then wait until the laptop is restarted. And this time it should get restarted from the USB flash drive. We don't have to disable secure boot in this case, in this scenario, because we are using the official Microsoft image, recovery image, and it gets through the secure boot. It's supposed to. Now right here what we want to do is of course choose the language, then choose the keyboard layout, then select recover from a drive. And then wait until the options are loaded. Choose just remove your files. Then click recover and basically wait until the Windows gets reinstalled on your laptop or installed. Now it's gonna take a while, so make sure that your device is connected to the power source and just wait until this process is finished. And that's it. So once you see the language selection screen, that means that your Windows 11 is reinstalled. You can now eject your USB flash drive. And that will be all for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.